back out here today. Not sure exactly what I'm going to get done. So stay tuned, we'll see. Okay, I figured I'd give you guys a little update today. I am back out here. I was eager to get back out here because I thought I saw a spot that was going to be a little better. Cut our way through here and it looked like on the top of this hill was going to be flat. Turns out it's not. So be it. And walk you down this hill real quick. All right, so this is what I saw. There's I don't know if it's a runoff or if it used to be a creek, but this is what I saw, and it looked like right on the top of that hill that it was flat, but you know, I just got a quick glance at it the other day, and now after coming out here and hiking back up there, it's actually worse. So original spot still stands, I guess. I did see our first deer on the property. Haven't seen any of those yet, so that was pretty cool. It was a little one, baby. So, gonna hike back up here and grab some kind of tool and get some work done, I guess. My main goal was to check out the other side. So I was hoping there was going to be something pretty flat over on top of that hill. That wasn't the case. So wife wants to clear this out over here, and I think it's going to be better over there. So I guess we'll just clear it all out and we'll pick. So I don't know. I'm gonna get some tools out. Okay, so the most level ground I've ran across yet is up through here. Gonna start here and see what all I can cut out of here. We might have to take down some bigger trees than usual. So we're gonna get a spot cleared. Alright, I'm gonna start with the brush cutter blade. Go through all the little stuff. And then I'm probably going to come back with the pole saw, trim some of these limbs. Then I'm going to be taking down some of these trees after I trim some of them.
for the ocean. Out at the bottom of the sea.
Alright, so now I'm going to cut some limbs with this pole saw. This is another part that came with this weed eater. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to have to take down some of these taller trees, which I figured I was going to have to do. Okay, I'm about to call it a day. All my chains for my saws and the brush blade, I think it's pretty much dull. So we're going to call it a day. I'll go ahead and walk you around and show you what we accomplished today. You'll be able to see it. I cut some of the bigger trees. We haven't been cutting many of the bigger trees, but trying to clear out an area at this point, and I did some bigger trees. So anyways, I'm gonna walk you around, and that's gonna be the end of this video, and we'll be back for more.